In this video, we will show you how to remove and install a push clip. Let's get started. To remove your push clip, you're going to want to get underneath the center and pull that out. That's how it unlocks. Once you have the center removed, you can remove the outer portion as well. There it is, friends. Okay, friends, let's get ready to install our push clip. When you install this, you want to push in the outer portion first and then lock it in by pressing in the center. We'll align our hole, slide it into position. Now we'll just press in on the center. At that point, it should be locked in position. Make sure it's nice and secure. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.